Hey guys, this is an elevator and at the Valco Mall, aka the Troubled Mall, and the escalators are Montgomery, so I think this might be Montgomery. Oh, okay, that doesn't sound like a Montgomery chime. No. But given the noise, oh, and since, oh, this place has 3 floors. Okay, I don't really see the brand. And this noise, given the noise, it could in the light. I'm scared now. Oh, why? Oh.